Welcome to News Republic for a special live debate with Agora Swami. Let's understand what is Agora in next half an hour time, where Mr. Arvind Agora, who will be in our studios for about half an hour time to just clear whatever doubts you have, who coined the name of Agora and how it is different from Sadhu, what is a Sadhu, who is a wandering holy man, why the name of Agora, what is Agori, what is Agora, all those things. In next half an hour, let's try and understand. Welcome to our studios, Arvind Agora Swamiji. Please come to the studio. And we are so glad to introduce you to the English viewers of this channel.
Yeah.
And see, most of the people, they come to know about Agora only during either Ardha Kumbh Mela or Kumbh Mela, not outside that.
Yeah.
We would like to know from you and to our viewers also, who coined the name Agora? First who said this,
Okay.
like these small things, if you can share with us.
Okay. In this creation, he is only the first Agora. He is nothing but Lord Shiva.
Mm-hmm. He is rechristened as Shiva. So normally
He is the first Agora of this
he is the first
universe.
Agora. Yeah. And normally Agoras, they are all disciples of Lord Shiva only.
Yeah.
Or Bhairava.
Bhairava also there.
See, they are two different things.
No. Both are same. Everyone belongs to Shiva.
Shivatvam.
Yeah.
And normally these sadhus or the agoras are to be seen in Varanasi and those areas. What could be the reason? Normally they won't come out into the public. They will be seen only during these seasons of Kumbh Mela or the Kumbh Mela.
Yeah.
Otherwise, where do they go and stay? And
They used to stay in their own places,
Like?
Himalayas,
Okay.
or else forest, or else cremation grounds. Just like that, they will live at their own areas.
You said that you are also a journalist to
Yeah.
begin with.
Yeah.
You are born in Tamil Nadu,
Yeah.
but worked in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
It's all good things happen. And you, when you are a journalist, which attracted you to this Agora? How it all started with you?
Being a Hindu,
Yeah.
I love with Lord Shiva
Mhm.
from the beginning itself. At that olden days, about 30 years back, they used to write in magazines or papers, supplementaries, like that. Some people are writing that Agora is like this, like that, this much of terrific, like this. So many people are scripting that. And then other part of people, they used to say Agora is nothing but Lord Shiva. There is no need to afraid of him. He is very peace. He is a symbol of peace. Like that, some people are scripting. Being a journalist, I had a curiosity on this subject.
Oh.
What is right? What is truth? What is bluffing? Like that, I felt curiosity. Being a journalist, then I started my work in my individual stage. In this part of research, I met so many people of Agoras in hundreds, but no one was convinced me at my level. So I used to research. That research was held about 18 years. After that only I met with my guru and I learned so many things from him. At last and finally I decided I must become a Agora. Like that, I taken Diksha from my guru and I have made sadhanas. After that, completing the sadhanas, I came back to this society. Why? Because there is a necessity to make unity of Hinduism nowadays. For that reason only I am roaming in this society. After roaming some time, again I will get back to Haridwar. I will stay some days and I will come to this society. Like this, up and down is happening nowadays.
See, if you are saying that Agoras are nothing but only Shiva only. Shiva is the first Agora.
Yeah. Agora, it means supreme stage of saint's life. That is also one of the meaning. And another is, each and every Agora is a strong disciple of Lord Shiva and Kalbhairava.
See, when you say Agora, if you go to old movies,
Yeah.
especially a couple of them acted by the great NTR,
Yeah.
like the movie I remember, black and white movie Daksha
Dakshayajnam.
Yagnam, where NTR acted as Shiva.
Shiva.
Can you say something about that? See, once if you look at that Shiva and his performance, he appears to be a sort of Agora only.
I was felt with NTR. I was felt love with NTR
Oh.
at that days.
Hmm.
Strongly I believe he is the Shiva. Being a fan of NTR.
So when you are seeing that movie, you are not seeing NTR, you are seeing only Shiva.
Yeah.
Oh. How
And
did you?
remaining Pramadaganas,
Yeah.
all are Agoras at my feel.
Normally, what will be your daily routine program when you get up, at what time, and do sadhanas, and what is your food or whatever it is, your day-to-day work?
Simply I am saying that from the morning to evening, evening to night, at any moment we used to pray the God and chant his name each and every moment of day. That is our main program. And another is, we are also human beings. We used to take food one time or two times according to the sadhaka's opinion.
The meditation and yoga is also part of your sadhana?
Yeah.
On day-to-day basis, you'll be doing that?
Yeah.
When you are in Hyderabad also, you practice that?
Yes.
How do you find time?
Morning, I used to morning wake up at 5:30.
Okay.
From the 5:30 to 7:30, I used to do the sadhana. And 7 to 10:30, I used to talk with the people by phone. And after that, 10:30 to 1:30, I used to appear before the people. After that, I used to go for food and take some rest. Evening by 6 o'clock, again there will be a performance of puja, and later that I will go into sadhana up to the early hours of morning 3 o'clock.
You have any diet restrictions? That,
No.
Anything?
Anything we can.
See, nowadays, last about a decade or so, what we are seeing is middle class people, Hindus,
Yeah.
not necessarily from Brahmin community, but also Brahmins.
Yeah.
They wanted to actually find the inner soul search.
Yeah.
Because of seeing the caste and the creed, all those things happening, they want to come and help the society, but not in your way, not by becoming agoras, but how you are doing. See, there is no untouchable as far as you are concerned.
Yeah.
They want to practice those things. What is your advice for them who wants to serve like you, but not in your capacity, not as agora?
There is no need to become an agora.
Yeah.
First of all, you know the truth. What is the target and achievement of life?
Yeah.
It is nothing but ultimate goal is melting with God. This is only the ultimate goal. So, first of all, you have to start the journey with knowing the real truth. What is the real truth? Everything is nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing is only the real truth.
Correct.
From that only we have to move forward. What is something? What is something? What next? What next? What next? Ultimately, we reach the God.
The journey begins from Big Bang, like that vacuum when there was no universe, nothing. No, can you give some information about that? How it actually?
Vacuum before the creation of universe was there. At that moment, first of all, this Omkar
correct,
was appeared. Later on that, it was sounded Omkar, and later that 5 elements were born. After that, Saptaraga music, and after that Saptavarna, rainbow colors.
Correct.
After that only Sesha Sai.
Vatapatra Sai.
Yeah. After that only Brahma. After that only Shiva.
Correct.
After that only each and every god was taken birth to fulfill the work which was a necessity to that society.
Swamiji, only there is a gender separation here. Only men folk will be becoming agoras, or women also will be there?
Women also be there.
But number is less when compared to
number will be less. About 90% will be males, 10% may be in females.
Their routine work is also like this?
Yeah.
They also
same
follow what they do?
Same routine.
Same routine work will be there.
Yeah.
So you will be actually wandering when there is no work, holy men who are doing all those things. It requires a lot of strength, but you don't appear to take a lot of rest. How you are getting that energy? What is the secret behind that?
He is only the reason.
No, you never feel like a bit weak or unable to walk?
Never. I never felt tired.
But most of your travel mode is only by walk.
Yeah, most probably.
So if you look at the amount of walking you are doing, you will not get any joint pains, knee pains, all those things?
No. Now I am running about 67 age.
Yeah.
Even today itself, I can walk minimum at least 25 kilometers with non-stop. That much of energy is in me. I don't have any pains to kneel.
Coming to your role, how actually you defined the word agora? Agora means those who are not doing sins.
Yeah.
Is it not? So instead of agora, is it not nagora?
Actually, agora means he is not at all terrific. Gora, it means he is terrific and dangerous. But people are saying that agoras are terrific and dangerous.
I mean, they are projected like that.
Yeah.
But otherwise, your life is also very peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Only frightened days.
We will live like a Shiva. That's it.
I know.
We feel as we are Shiva.
Most of the agoras are single in nature, or they are married and then left.
So many people are living in bachelor, and some people are living with the family.
They get back to their families?
You don't say that get back to the families.
I mean,
they can live with even families.
Okay, so there is no barrier like that, because you worship Lord Shiva. You worship Lord Shiva. He himself married.
Yeah.
So there is no hard and thick and fast rule that you should be a bachelor to perform this. Nothing like that.
Brahmacharya. Let us give clarification for Brahmacharya. Brahman, it is nothing but universe.
I know.
And we have to know about the nature of universe, and we should have to live in this nature. That is called Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya, it means it is not at all bachelorship.
And Hindus normally believe in reincarnation. Do you also believe in reincarnation?
I too believe that.
Can you give some subject about that one for the viewers?
No, this is not the stage.
Okay, for reincarnation you cannot. Okay.
This cannot be proved on the stage. But there are so many examples. This is not the right time to discuss all those subjects.
I know. Agoras normally they worship Shiva.
Yeah.
But Hingla Mata is there, who is like Kula Devata.
Yeah.
Can you say something about that Mata?
That temple is in Pakistan nowadays.
That's in Pakistan.
Yeah.
But Agoras goes there.
Yeah.
They get visa, permissions, all those things.
Still, they used to go and pray the Mata. And get back to India.
But there is no problem that way?
No, there is no
Agoras are allowed that way?
Problem. If we are getting the passport and visa, definitely anyone can go to the Hinglas Mata temple and take darshan and get back to India.
You went there?
No.
You had darshan? No, you didn't go.
Why? Because financially I am very poor.
Okay. See, there is Baba Siddhartha Gautam Ram. He is the head of the.
He is the 11th Pitadishwar of Baba Kinaramji Ashram.
Yeah.
Which is in Varanasi.
You met him?
Yeah.
No.
I met twice.
You met him twice. Is it easy to get darshan of him?
No. He used to stay so many ways. He won't appear in ashram any moment. But some of specific times he will appear in ashrama.
Coming to you, when you actually wanted to become an Agora, since you are not happy with whatever information you are getting after meeting Agoras.
No, I was happy.
No. What
I was happy with my previous life. It is very clear. After knowing the truth, this is the way which I have to live. As like that, I have decided and went to Agora sector.
Yeah. See, my question begins after you have become Agora.
Yeah.
How your family members have taken this?
Still they are not accepting. My wife is loving with me as husband.
Okay.
My son is loving with me as father. My maternal son-in-law, he used to love me as mama, uncle. My daughter-in-law also like the same. My daughter-in-law and what you call grandchilds. They people also love with me as grandpa.
See, normally what I read in books and came to know that Agoras, normally they smear that ashes after cremation to the body. Why do they that?
You see, with the scientific examples, ash will like a antibiotic.
Okay.
Ash will work as antibiotic, and it will gives protect from the environment. Like this, so many reasons are there.
When you go to Shiva temple, you will see that vibhuti there.
Yeah.
Is it a vibhuti or it is something like this? Actually, that's what Shiva wanted to keep there.
Ash, it means vibhuti.
Yeah.
There is nothing difference between what you say that pidakalu.
Yeah.
There is also ash.
Ash only.
Chita. There is also ash. They both are same. These were meant in result of burning by the Agni. After getting burning, everything is smashed. Everything is only the ash.
Agoras, why they smear that the remains at the crematorium is only to say that end of the day I will be like this only. This shape will not be there. This is the message they want to convey by smearing that ash onto their body.
Yes.
Is it for the same message?
Simply they are saying with the passionate of
smearing that one.
Smearing that basma. Each and everything will become ash at finally. Just you live with cautious and do good things.
And why normally Agoras are in nude or semi-nude and smearing that ash? That appearance is frightening.
Yeah.
Why this nudity there actually? Semi-nude or nude?
Nudity from the beginning itself, they used to implement the nudity.
Yeah.
Why? Because if I have got a luggage in my hand, then I will keep my mind on luggage only.
Okay.
I won't take the holy bath with the
if you have your belongings.
Devotion.
Correct.
In such a manner, I want to take the holy bath with a nudity. In such a manner, I don't have any luggage. In such a manner, I will keep the mind with the God.
And it is also believed that Agoras, they normally consume the corpse, human corpse who died and all. Is it correct?
Yeah. That is
because
there.
There might be some,
that is there, but it is only will happen in specific moments. but it is
It's not routine.
Routine.
It is not routine.
Yeah.
Agoras also, they sit on the dead bodies and do the sadhanas, all those things?
Yes, those things all are there.
And also it is believed that the agoras have that healing powers. How you are getting that healing power?
Healing power. With a truthful mind.
Okay.
When we are praying with the God, everything will be done by the God only. When we are in truth, if we are keeping untruth, nothing will be happen as Atindriya Shakti.
See, you don't have like ashramams for various these things. You don't have any ashrams like that in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana or Tamil Nadu. You have one in Varanasi.
I am only one in my room. Yes, you see, ashrama, that means you people will think like it is a big acres of land and some of buildings.
It's not like that.
It's not like that. When we are sitting with the people, that is the main pita, that is main ashrama. There is no need to build a ashrama in acres and acres and acres.
Not required.
Not required.
Okay. Suppose, see, like Veda Patasala in Telugu we call.
Yeah.
For your this thing, Agora, this thing, if you get a chance, can you motivate people to become Agoras or,
No.
Or educate them?
I will educate with the people with 5 subjects.
Okay.
Bhakti, Adhyatmik, Jnana or Karma Yoga and livelihood of the human being. These 5 subjects I will teach the people very frequently and without taking any penny.
Do corporates invite you to give a lecture?
Definitely I will give you a lecture.
Did you try it that way?
No.
If they come to know, suppose you are available here, corporates normally they do.
Just you watch one thing. When we are in trust, we have to go for well. Well won't come to us.
Correct.
In such a manner, there is no need to go for them. If they are needy to get lecture from me, they will ask, and they has to be come to me.
One piece of advice for the viewers about how you want to define yourself. Agora means what? Just for the benefit of the viewers, please.
There is no need to become an agora. Know about the truth and live with the truth. Everything will be fine, and day or one day you will become like Shiva. Har Har Mahadev.
Har Har Mahadev is the word you want to actually coin. That is what we had discussions with Arvind Agora Swamiji in our studios, and he really has given a lot of inputs into how do they live, what do they eat, what is the purpose of becoming Agora, but he is not advising any one of you to turn to Agora. It is not required. With this is Venkat signing off.